Are there just too many lights going on right now? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's just get this show on the road. So as you can tell from the title, this is just a get ready with me. I figured I just do a quick, everyday, easy makeup look that I've been doing and just kind of give you an update of what's been going on. So besides my allergy flaring up, my eyes are so itchy and swollen. So I'm just gonna do my makeup and try not to explain everything I'm doing just because that happens a lot, and I'm just trying to chat with you guys more than just showing what I'm using. And of course, everything I will link down in the info box for you guys. For sure, the first thing you guys know I like to do is, of course, hydrate the face and apply a little bit of sunscreen. But anyways, how are you guys doing? We are literally surpassed 60 days of this lockdown. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe and healthy. I know things have been really, really rough, you know, everyone, for work, supporting their family, themselves. I too am self-employed, so it is really, really hard. And as some of you guys may know who are in the same boat as me, who does hair and makeup or one or the other, it's really hard because we interact with clients every day. I don't know if you guys noticed, I have a different background. So the main reason I haven't been filming is because we've been doing home renovations. And now is the time to actually do the home renovations. As I mentioned, we do work and it's just been hard. So now that we're actually sheltered in place, we're social distancing, we've been just doing some home renovations, and you know, 2 people living in this home, it takes a long time. We have to do one room at a time, basically move everything that's in one room to the other and so on. I've been actually doing a lot of home stuff with my husband, and it's kind of funny because it actually tests you. I'm like, okay, this is great team building experience, but it gets frustrating, you know? Pretty much done. We just have the 2 bathrooms left, and literally everything has been shuffled around. I have things placed a little bit more organized. We're trying to keep everything in one area now that we're actually gutting everything out and putting it back. So all the tools are in one sections, all my makeup, bathroom supply kits, and just trying to be a little bit more organized and dumping a lot of old garbage. Anyways, I think I'm losing track of what I'm doing because I'm trying to talk and do this at the same time. Basically, we've just been doing a lot of work in the house. You can see I have leftover paint here. I mean, we're pretty much almost done with the house. We just, again, have the 2 bathrooms left. So, and just working on the house just flared up my carpal tunnel. So in between each rooms, I've been resting a lot just because I don't know if some of you guys experience this. Even as a makeup artist, we do a lot of tedious movements with our wrists, and with painting, it's the same kind of motion. And holding a hair curler and just combing hairs and just doing things, you can develop it. I've actually had it for a long time, and it does hurt time to time, especially if I'm working like a full event wedding day of a large bridal party. And then at the end of the day, I feel like my hands are like all cramped up. So I haven't done any makeup in a while, but working on the house again, it just kind of, what's that word I'm thinking of? Like, it just reactivated my pain, and I'm just like, oh my God. I've been wearing a wrist guard at nighttime and throughout the day just to really help support my wrists. Both of them are actually hurting. So anyways, in between all this was a lot of self-care, and hey, it doesn't hurt to have self-care. So, is that my delivery? Okay, so on another note, while my dog is barking, we've been doing so much online shopping, but it's more for the house because of what we're doing, but not necessarily like shopping, but it's just more like hardware stuff and like cabinet doors and stuff like that. So it's kind of like, I don't know. I guess I'm at the age where I'm like, household supplies is like, yay. But of course I love my beauty and my shopping stuff, but I get so overexcited over home appliances and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, seriously, my allergies are so freaking bad. Oh my gosh, my sinuses. Ooh, it was a cream shadow, and I like this because it actually doubles up as a primer. And I just use my fingers to apply this on. This is such an easy product to use, especially if you're on the go. if you're doing work from home conference calls and you don't want to bust out like a whole freaking palette, you can definitely just use this. It gives you nice pigment. So I feel like this is a very easy everyday type of product that you can use. So yeah, now I feel like, oh my gosh, did I just like crack and just ended up buying so much stuff when I said I wasn't going to because of this pandemic? I mean, I didn't buy any makeup. It's literally for the home. So I'm just gonna take a brown color just for the crease. I actually used this before on my eyebrows. What's really nice about this is that you could actually use your fingers or a brush. This product blends so nicely. So I apologize for really being MIA. I literally probably filmed nothing this month, only my kimchi video, but that was actually last month. And like I said, we've been doing this renovations for like almost 2 months off and on, so it's taking a lot longer, but again, I just really need to rest my hands. It's a thing. It's crazy, but we're almost there, but I really need to take care of myself. Otherwise, I won't be able to do the rest of the house or even like work in the future. So it's something to really not take lightly because it is your dominant hand. Anyhow, I'm just being mindful because these are my working hands. So if I don't have them, I can't do what I love to do. It is kind of nice to do a little painting like this just because it's therapeutic. I mean, you can just listen to music and just work on that particular wall or room. All right, let's see if I can put on lashes. I haven't put on lashes in so long. I've been just doing the brows with the light eyeshadow. So let me add a little bit more actually. I want a little bit more of a pop, so I'm gonna use a brighter type of petal pink. I wanna say this is. Oops. Got mascara on my lids. And that's a normal thing. Back to these lashes. I don't know if I can even do this. So the time I was actually away from filming because again, I didn't have any access to anything. All my rooms were sealed up in one room while we did the other and just crap was everywhere. But I did have some time to brainstorm on some video ideas. And I remember in the beginning I told you that I was gonna do some maybe wedding related type of tutorials, and since that's my main focus, I think I'm gonna start doing more wedding looks. In the past I did wedding hair and makeup. I'm actually gonna do more of like a Southeast Asian bride type of makeup, maybe a dramatic, or I did one on my friend, but more on myself since we can't have, you know, any models or, you know, people over the house because of social distancing. I'm probably gonna do, like I said, the Southeast Asian brides, a dramatic, maybe even a natural one, or hair, I don't know. Comment down below what you guys wanna see, maybe a wedding guest, bridesmaid. Oh, I am having a terrible time right now. Yes, the right eye wasn't too bad. I don't know. I just needed a starting point and then the second eye was like, boom. Anyways, please let me know what interests you guys. Would you guys want to, you know, would you guys want more wedding looks? Do you want more bride looks? Maybe hairstyling, like an easy smoky eye. I mean, I'm here for you guys. So if you guys want to learn with my tutorials in a specific look, please comment down below. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and you will hear my dog bark time to time. That's just part of this channel. So what's really funny about this shelter in place, well, it's not really funny, but I'm just talking about our animals, our pets, just because I was talking about tofu. So you guys know before all this happened, you know, we all were working and it's sad to leave our animals at home. They're home alone, but you know, we have cameras to watch him and we have people watching him to make sure he's okay while we're out. And then now that we're like home full time, it's like in the beginning they loved it. They're like, oh my God, our humans are home. They're hanging out with us, they're playing. And then all of a sudden it's like, get away from me. You're always here. I don't know why you keep playing with me, messing around with me. Like, can you guys go back to work now? Any of you guys experience that with your animals? I mean, I love to be with them. I love to take them everywhere. If I could take them to work, you know I will in a heartbeat. So everyday makeup consists of super light, not much on, especially sunscreen. That's like a must. So taking one of my favorite tinted moisturizers. This is by ILIA. I love this stuff. I'm gonna take my current favorite sponge. This is by Eco Tools. Eco Tools. Yes. Very inexpensive. And do I have any more product in here? What's going on? It's gonna do about a big old glob because it's super sheer. And just gonna pat it into my skin and enjoy the pleasant smell of this product. But anyways, enough of me blabbing on about my story and my current life. I wonder how everybody else is doing. What have you guys been doing more or less of since the shelter in place? Have you guys been cooking more? Shopping more? Is this even my color anymore? It's so sad because we don't get to see family, and I know it's so tough. Some people may live close to you, some may be really far. I see my mom about once or twice a week when I drop off supplies to her. She is in good hands. But it just sucks because when I see her or some of my family members, we're like so far away, and we're always so used to seeing each other and giving each other a hug, hi, kiss, and now it's just like elbow pump or elbow whatever, elbows. And I'm just like, oh my gosh, I want to touch you guys. I want to say hi to you guys besides a video, you know? But that's just the part of life right now. And it sucks because this pandemic of ours, of this COVID-19, it may not go away. So we may just need to learn to live with this. It's so crazy. It's just so sad. I don't know. I've been trying this new technique of like slimming down my nose. Let's just try something. Yeah, I think that's good enough. I've been trying to do home workouts. I don't know. Have you guys found it successful? We were thinking about investing into the Peloton bike and just do workouts at home, because I feel like later when it's time for us to return back to normal life and things are all open, well, not really normal, but I don't know if I really want to be around crowds anymore. It's so scary. It's because not everybody practices their hygiene where they need to really wash their hands. Let's just face it, it's dirty out there. I don't know. Now I just feel like I'm becoming a weirdo. Slimmer nose? Not really. I can't wait to go camping, guys. I feel like that's like probably the safest thing out there right now. I mean, Vegas, they say they're gonna open up. I don't know how I feel about that. Of course, I think it'll be awesome to open up again, but how does that work? Do we sit close to each other with like the slot machines? You know, they say the crap tables can limit like a certain amount of people on that table, but craps is so exciting. It's like such a fun game. Like when you're walking around the casino and people are like screaming on that craps table, and you're just like, oh my God, I want to see. And now it's just like, oh no, stay back. I'm winning, but stay back. Or something. And it's just, I don't know. It's gonna be different, guys. So where do you guys live at? Are things opened up for you? Here in California, there are some things opened up, but not everything. It's just so sad because I feel like these small businesses aren't surviving. Or are they, you know? It's just sad everywhere for everybody. I definitely lost my tan. Oh, I went bike riding like last month. I think so, it was last month. And it was like so hot. We were in the East Bay. I literally got a tan of my Razor tank top and sports bra. And then the sun was just beaming on my back and shoulders that my shoulders are so dark. It's horrible. And then I wear gloves. So then the gloves stops up to here, and I have like even lighter hands than I normally do. And traveling out of the country, that's gonna be a tough one because they say that you have to be quarantined for 14 days at a designated or assigned hotels that they have before you can actually go out and explore or visit your family in that country. I think it's just ridiculous everywhere. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in with my favorite lip pencil. Oh my God, it's so soft and creamy. This is not working. This is a multifunctional lip product. You can actually use this for your lips, your cheeks. I love this color. It's so pretty. And that's basically it. It's all about the bronzer. I feel like the bronzer just completes everything, guys. Alright guys, that is it for my get ready with me, shelter in place updates. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick chit chat with me. I hope you guys are all staying safe out there. Things are starting to open up again in this country and it's slowly starting to get back to normal, but the cases we have are still not steady. So please stay safe, practice good hygiene. Don't forget about social distancing, 6 feet away from each other. So please just stay safe and healthy, guys. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!